Hello friends, this is Sharif from Petrogems. We just received this package from Whiteflash. They're our affiliate partners, and I had sent them this diamond that we've had for a while, and it's a 3 carat GIA graded diamond, and I wasn't really happy with its cut, and so I asked them to recut it for us and basically turn it into one of their cut bow round diamond. It's also now graded by AGS, so we'll see what's in the package. The stone did turn out to be 2.7 carat now because of the recutting, and now it's also set in a nice halo setting. So let's see what they've done, and then we'll also see what's in the package once you receive your order. So let me just open this up real quick. Just a minute. Okay, so here's the package, as you can see. There we go. It's really nicely, securely done. So now we'll try to open this package and then go from there. Nice, beautiful black box, as you can see, and now try to open it. There we go. We're almost there. Okay, so here's the box. You can see a beautiful box with the Whiteflash sign on it. Here we go. We have the package. Look at that. Beautiful pen that's come with it. There it is. Not sure if you can see. It's just sent this as a compliment. There's the ring box. Okay, you ready? Here we go, another beautiful box inside, wooden box. There we go. And let's see. Okay, here's the ring. It's just absolutely stunning. This diamond looks beautiful. It's really, really well done, as you can see. It's just really well cut. Just brilliant and beautiful. So this was the ring. Then we'll see if there is just beautiful boxing on and all, but they do really do an amazing job. So here, if you can see here, let's see what they have sent in terms of paperwork in the box. There you go. It's in this sort of lower section of the box. There you go. So just the business card, sort of the invoice, as you can see. And I think there you go. This is beautiful. They just send you a complimentary ring sizer, so you can check what size your ring is. So you can see, tell you exactly what size ring you need, and it could be really helpful for future needs. And then finally, I think we have the ages grading report, something I want to really look at carefully. Just you know, the ages is one of the best, really, I would say the best grading labs in the world. You know, very close to, I mean, I think as good, if not, I think maybe even better than the Gemological Institute of America. But now AGS is merged with GIS, so they will not continue these reports. I think in the future the details of these will be available online, and I think GIS is going to start offering these reports as part of their grading reports. So some of these sort of ideal proportions and cut services will be added to GIA's grading reports. So let's see. Yep, so there it is. Just look at the cut bow. That's their trademark of Whiteflash, and then you can see, so they have really done a brilliant job of recutting the diamond now to ages ideal 0. So cut grade is 0, light performance is ages ideal 0, which is excellent, and then polish is excellent 0, and again symmetry is. So they've really done, I mean, if we can look at the proportions here, just phenomenal proportions. So all in all, and here you can just see the light performance of the stone. So all in all, I'm really happy, even though this was, as I mentioned earlier, we lost about 0.3 carat of the weight in this diamond. It's now 2.37, which used to be about 3 carat around brilliant cut diamond. But I think this is really important here, the measurements. We haven't really lost much in terms of surface space. Used to be 9 mm, and now it's 8.9, and that's because the stone is really well cut. So even if it is small, I mean smaller in terms of carat weight, is 2.7. In terms of how it looks, it's going to look like a 3 carat diamond because it's really well cut and the proportions are right. Again, here is the setting. So you can see they have really done a beautiful job with this setting as well. Just phenomenal design. And I believe, we'll check right here. Yeah, this was set in platinum, so it's very premium platinum. Platinum P950 is about the highest platinum grade we use. So I hope this was helpful. Again, this is Whiteflash is one of our favorite retailers online. Brilliant service, highest quality of customer service, and they really value long-term relationships. So check them out. We would really highly recommend them. Thank you.